Hello, welcome to our channel, techlifefusion. Unfortunately, our power bank got damaged and we are here to repair it. So here we have our damaged power bank. First thing, we'll have to open it and get these damaged batteries out of it. And you can see how much they have got, like you can say fat, describing its severity. And these batteries are not useful now. We are going to change the battery. So here we have got a small battery compared to the original batteries that were present in the power bank. This battery is small, of only 1200 mAh. uh, Definitely doesn't have that much capacity, and also it has not so much power. It has only got 4.4 watt per hour. So it's not going to charge our mobile, but it can be used to charge some basic small electronic devices like small electronic batteries, and not charge batteries we can use, but we can use this battery to power up our electronic circuits like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and more. So here we get out our power bank circuit from the power bank, and now we'll have to do soldering, positive with positive, negative with negative, and after soldering we have to check out whether it's working or not, and luckily it's working. Now we have to apply some double tape on battery that it can stick with the power bank surface. So doing some stuff to fix it, and now we are going to close it. You can see now it's showing the charging and it's working quite fine, and we can use it to for emergency light purpose. And this is how you can develop your own projects. For these kind of more solutions, stay tuned to our Tech Life Fusion channel. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our channel. Thanks.